As a social media manager, you'll know that scheduling manually on social media can often feel like a
massive waste of time.
You might look at Instagram and say, oh, hey, I got my post here. It's all ready to go. I can go in, I can schedule the post for whenever I want. And hey, I can even cross-post it to my Facebook page. What's the big deal? There's a number of reasons why this isn't the most efficient way to do things. Yes, it's nice that you can schedule that out. You can link it to your Facebook account. What happens if you have two Facebook pages that you're managing? Well, then you got to go into Facebook and you got to schedule that post as well. At this point, I'm only talking about meta products. What if you have a TikTok that you gotta schedule and you gotta get ready to publish? Wait a minute, I forgot I also need to schedule that post out on LinkedIn because that's where we get so many of our clients. So I'm gonna go to LinkedIn now and schedule it out there as well. What happens if you have to schedule out an entire month of content? That's very typical for a social media manager. Well, then you just gotta trust that you write everything down right in your calendar because,
hey, maybe you'll post the wrong thing on the wrong day. It'll go out early on TikTok, but not the same time on Instagram, and then not the same time on LinkedIn, and then LinkedIn might not work the same as Pinterest, and then Pinterest is probably maybe not in your offering, so instead you're gonna do, I don't know, maybe Threads?
Need to remember is that hours wasted as social media managers means delayed campaigns, it means less leads, and hey, we haven't even talked about your inbox. I mean, you're getting DMs, you're getting comments, you're getting suggestions. How do you keep track of it all if it's all coming through in different social platforms? You gotta be real good at switching in between platforms because you could easily miss a simple request that could lead you to creating more conversions and more leads being generated. You're just not able to physically answer all these questions that are coming in. But what about the cold, hard numbers? Maybe you're just hearing me say this and you don't quite believe me. Well, I got some stats for you. Studies have shown that using a social media management platform can actually give you a 6 to 9 hour reduction in hours wasted every single week. Honestly, mind-blowing, because if you think, hey, there's 8 hours approximately in a workday, you're actually wasting probably an extra day of your week just scheduling things out, answering comments, flipping between all the different social platforms. Hey, we haven't even talked about analytics and metrics. If you're trying to compare and report on and add up all the different metrics from all the different social media platforms, it is going to take so long. Studies have shown that using a social media management tool can actually help reduce the time it takes you to look at analytics and do your reports by 80%, 80. That is a huge number. So hey, can you schedule out your content natively on the different social media platforms? Yes, you can. You can do that right now. Can you answer all your DMs on the different social media platforms? Well, you might miss a few, but you could. What about analytics? I can just go on and see my TikTok studio, my analytics all in one place for TikTok. And then I gotta go to Instagram, and then I gotta go to Facebook. Can you do all these things? Yes, you can. But the best thing that you can do as a social media manager is investing in a social media management tool. If that interests you and gets you excited, well, you can check out a free trial of Agorapulse today down in the description below. It's pretty nice. You can see everything I just said. And hey, you can also check out your social media ROI so you can prove the actual dollar value that your social media efforts are bringing to the company. So hey, don't forget to supercharge your social media efforts today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.